What is Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi is a technology that allows devices like phones, laptops, and tablets to connect to the internet wirelessly. It uses radio waves instead of cables to send and receive data. When you use Wi-Fi at home or in a cafe, your device communicates with a router that connects to the wider internet.
How does Wi-Fi transmit data?
Wi-Fi works by converting digital data from your device into radio signals. These signals travel through the air to a router or access point. The router then sends the data over a wired internet connection. When data comes back, the process happens in reverse, returning data as digital information to your device.
Understanding frequency bands.
Wi-Fi uses two main frequency bands, 2.4 GHz (GHz) and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band covers longer distances but can be slower and more prone to interference. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds and less interference but has a shorter range. Many modern routers support both bands for better performance.
Wi-Fi security basics.
Wi-Fi networks use security protocols like WPA2 and WPA3 to keep connections safe. These encrypt your data so only authorized devices can connect and read information on the network. Using a strong password and up-to-date security settings helps protect your wireless network from unauthorized access.
Everyday uses of Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is essential for daily tasks like streaming video, browsing the web, gaming, and smart home devices. Public hotspots let you stay connected on the go, while home networks power everything from work meetings to online learning. Its flexibility and convenience make Wi-Fi a core part of modern life.